And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to render a triangle. So we can use the polygon tool, but we can also render it. That comes in handy when we know the length size. For example, on extensions render triangle, you can see that. Or when we know the angles, it saves some time, we don't have to calculate that, and use the polygon tool. Under mode, you can set that to the specific parameters that you've got. So for example, if you've got the 3 sides, you can change the angle all day long. The triangle is rendered according to the 3 sides, and the angles, whichever values we choose, they don't have an impact. Let's change that to from sides AB and angle C. And you can see now we can adjust this triangle by adjusting the angle C, and a side length C is kind of like omitted by this rendering process. And if I go back to from 3 sides, we've got our basic triangle, just apply it, and now it's fully rendered. We can size that up holding Control and treat it like a regular object. So if I want to give it a fill, I'll just click at the bottom at these color swatches, or I hold Shift and I click on them to change the stroke color. So that's just another way to create triangles in Inkscape. And as you can see, this is especially helpful when you've got values and you know what kind of a rectangle you need in particular. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.